Right, good afternoon, guys. It is about 6 o'clock on Thursday after the Buxton, which, as you know, went reasonably well. It's not the best start to the year we've ever had, but you know, I'm going to try and get in the truck now, one way or the other. There we go. Yeah, so it's not the best start to the year we've had in the last, well, ever, but I'm going to have to go jump in the truck and unlock the passenger door so I can get the key for the tail lift. Right, so anyway, yeah, like I say, it weren't the best starts of the year. 2 DNFs, 9th in the final, 5th in the national. Pretty happy with the 5th in the national. The car was pretty good. Did we make any? Didn't really make too many alterations through the night because the car was pretty good. It was just fine tuning really more than anything. So yeah, I'll say we're pretty happy with that. Just need a bit of luck. So there she is. One slightly used stock car. There we go. Yeah. Right then, end of the first night. This shale wing is done. Martin at Ford Race Wings has reskinned it for me. Mick at MH Autos has repainted it. I'm just waiting for hopefully Maxim Signs to come and sign write it. So that's that job in progress. The shale car is the next thing. Revcat has failed on it. We've got some bit of tarting up to do with the paintwork just to tidy it up. Might pump this nerf rail out a little bit and sort this rear wheel guard area out. And that's pretty much it really. It's not too far away, so we'll put the firewall back in it, lube everything up, make sure everything's good, and we should be ready for well, possibly Kings Lynn, if not definitely Bradford. At the minute, as time of recording, we haven't got a booking for Kings Lynn. Yeah, that's an interesting situation to be in, but we'll just have to wait and see how that plans out. So yeah, we're getting there anyway. We'll get this button back up, get the wing sign written, and hopefully we'll either be at Kings Lynn on the 19th or we will be back at Bradford on Bank Holiday Monday. So I'll see you tomorrow for another work update. So, good morning, team. It's what day are we on? It's Sunday. So this is Sunday after King's Lynn, actually, which we didn't race. King's Lynn didn't happen. We didn't bother going. I have my reasons for not going. I'm not going to go into it really on here, but I felt it best not to go out of principle. So we are now Sunday afternoon and we're going to get ready for Bradford. So I'll give you a quick tour of the shale wing. I'll give you a proper look at this once it's on the car. But Maxim Signs has done another incredible job of that. A few little jobs to do. Have a look at the rev counter, just put this throttle rod on and finish tidying it up and put the rock covers on, a few other little jobs. So we're going to crack on with that and get ready for tomorrow. So basically just change this rod here, which is the main throttle linkage between the two carbs, and then made sure that we've got full travel with the pedal. So yeah, another job down. Let's try something else. And then just the reason for changing it, this is the original one, which is solid, has no adjustment on it. So it was holding the throttle on slightly when it was at tick over. So hopefully now I've cured that. Oh yeah, you can't see what I'm doing. So just the nuts on the top of the coil are rusty as anything, so I'm just cleaning the terminals up down there and sorting that out so we don't have any electrical gremlins, hopefully. Right guys, mid video now, so still got quite a bit to do for the weekend, or for the weekend it's tomorrow. Got a bit to do for tomorrow, but there we go. I'm just going to stop for a little bit to reiterate something Nigel said in his vlog about the Save Coventry Stadium at the minute. They are hoping to reopen it, basically. There is people in place to hopefully buy the stadium and do all the necessary things to get us back racing there. But we need to show our support as the short oval community. We need to show our support that we want the stadium back. So if you can email in to localplan at rugby.gov.uk, titled Preferred Option Consultation, and show your support for the reopening of Coventry Stadium to stock cars and speedway. Please add your name and address, and yeah, that's all you need to do. If they show enough support for the stadium to reopen, they will go ahead and open it, hopefully, or at least start the background work to get it rebuilt and back in a state where we can go racing there. So you can pause the video here, go and send an email to Rugby Borough Council showing our support for Coventry Stadium to reopen. Hopefully we can get the job done. Thank you for those who do, and yeah, let's get back to the car. So we're now changing the rocker covers over to the ones that are for the engine. These are powder coated black. I was going to paint them orange the same as tarmac car, but decided in the end we were going to paint the the black lines are put on the tarmac ones in orange, or the Emma put on the tarmac ones in orange, but didn't get time in the end, so we cleaned them up, put them back on, and get that all ready for the weekend. So now we're just tidying the workshop up, ready to get the car over. Then we go check the clutch was clearing before we got it out to load it up in the truck. So that was all okay once we checked it. And then we got the car over and got it scaled and ready to go. So there she is, ready to fight another day. Did have 2 new panels for this side, but unfortunately just ran out of time to get them sorted and bit them on. But yeah. So massive thank you to all the sponsors and everyone that's helped. Well, thanks to Ford Race Wings, Maxim Signs and MH Autos for sorting the wings out. And yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings. Right then, that's us loaded up, ready for. It's 8 o'clock now, so it's 8 o'clock Sunday night. We're loaded up, ready to go. So yeah, we'll just see how Bradford goes tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. And if you want to keep up with how we're getting on this year, which is probably not as well as last year, but you know, if you want to keep up with us, just keep on hit that subscribe button and see what's going on with Team 288. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to shoot off and email Rugby Borough Council so we can save Coventry Stadium. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.